Maxime from Institut Vaucluse. I came here for 1 week in Podomoro University to learn about Indonesian cuisine and as well as giving demos to the student and to the chef. So that was a great learning experience throughout the week. They were really excited and they were really awesome students. I think they liked the learning experience. I really liked sharing with them. They were awesome. We really had a great time together. The university is really nice. It's like a big family. It has a real human size. I really like this at Podomoro University, and I feel really good here.